In this video, you are going to learn how to create a YouTube channel for your business or for a client that you're working for. So the first step is to come over to youtube.com and log in with your personal Google account. So this would be the account that you personally use to log into your Gmail or other Google products. Now, if you don't have a Google account, you can just search in Google, create Google account. And then you can create your Google account, open that up, and you just fill in the steps there with your personal details. Now, you don't fill this in with your company details because you actually create the channel for your company here inside your personal account. So once you're inside YouTube and you've signed in with your personal account, you want to come down and then click on settings. And down here, you want to click on see all my channels or create a new channel. Then you can click create a new channel, and then you just want to give your channel a name. So I will just put in YouTube demo, and then you just click create. And it might take a second to load up here, but there we go. Now we have created a YouTube channel for your business or for another brand, and it's that simple. It's that simple to get up and running on the third biggest website in the world so that you can promote your products or services there.